Hey guys, Zepto is giving free cash credited in your wallet. As you see in the picture, 100 has been credited in my wallet. And not only that, Zepto Pass is given as free gift and a Super Saver store is open in Zepto. Let's check out all this. First, let me tell you how to check your free cash. Go to Zepto app, click on profile icon as shown in the picture. Once you click on that, here you can see Zepto Cash plus gift card. You can click on that. I've got here 150 being credited into my wallet. Next, you have this Zepto Pass as gift at 1 rupee. You can check my video in the I button and screen and description box for more details. Okay, now without any delay, we'll unbox the Zepto free products that have ordered with Zepto free cash credited in my wallet. As I shown earlier, these were some of the products. The delivery would take just 12 to 15 minutes after placing the order, and you have got zero delivery charges and no minimum order value clause, but you got to go for Zepto Saver Store that has been introduced newly by Zepto. Let's check out all those details. Here I'll show you as how you can use your Zepto free cash plus Super Saver Store plus free coupons while placing your order. As shown in the video, go to Zepto app, click on Super Saver, and you can scroll down and you can see all the deals and you can avail the products at bigger discounts. And this is the specialty of Super Saver that has been introduced. As you see in the picture, you have flash sale at 50% off. You can check out. You have all stores here from A to Z. You can go for shopping. Here you have got grocery, fashion and jewelry store as shown in the picture. You can go to jewelry store if you are placing your order for the first time on jewelry store. You can avail a coupon at the checkout, which I'll show you. Now select the products which have big discounts as shown in the picture. After selecting or adding the products to the cart, go to cart. Click on view cart. Once you click on that, you go to view all coupons and apply a coupon here. It is Try Jewel 15 as shown in the picture. You can click on apply. If you want any other coupons other than this, you can go try them out. Once you apply the coupon, you can use free cash as well. As shown in the picture, select Zepto Cash. Once you select it, place your order. That's it, done. Now I'll show you one more coupon as how you can apply at the checkout to increase your savings. Go to Zepto app. Here Zepto has got two stores. You can go for any of them, but I prefer going for Super Saver because it has got big discounts and coupons as well, though there's a limit on minimum order value. As you see in the picture, once you go to Zepto Super Saver, you have many products with big discounts. You can also visit Deal Store if you want all at once. As shown in the picture, you add the products to the cart, go to view cart. Now click on view all coupons and you can apply any of the coupon you like. Here I have applied CRED. And don't forget to select Zepto Cash while placing your order as shown in the picture and place your order. Rest assured, all done, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. If you like this video, do share to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you.